Just joshing around. Hello YouTube. This is my first YouTube video that I'm making. I am a TikTok refugee. With the upcoming ban, I have decided to start posting to YouTube because I feel like it'll fit the type of content that I create as seamlessly as possible. A little bit about myself. I'm a really avid outdoorsman. I love to spend time fishing and hunting, and I love to spend time in the kitchen making food and cocktails. I go on some crazy adventures sometimes. We just got back from a trip to Montana, did some fly fishing out there, did a lot of cooking while we were out there. So this is my introductory video, just to say hello, introduce myself, and say that I'd love it if you liked, commented, followed, and shared. I'll probably start posting the videos that I've done for TikTok. Probably one video a day until I run out of those videos. In the meantime, I'm going to start to make more content that is set up specifically for YouTube, a little bit longer, maybe showing some more cooking technique or better cocktail technique. There will be affiliate links down below if you like what I do, or if you want to help support me, that would be amazing. There will also be links to some of my favorite kitchen products down below that you can get right on Amazon. So it's very easy to recreate what I do, or again, if you want to just support me. Everything helps. To my TikTok followers that have followed me here, I can't even tell you how much I appreciate it. You all made it totally worth it. Thanks so much for watching.